how are you? Good morning. It is the morning now. I am refilming this video because the first video I had deleted and I formatted my SD card so I don't have it anymore. So now I'm going to refilm it. The video of today is me doing my makeup in 90-degree weather. The last time it was like 97 degrees and it started raining literally while I was filming, and right now it is 91 degrees. So we'll be alright. It looks like it's gonna rain. Thank God for Florida weather. Alright, so let's get started. Actually, I'm gonna be 100% honest. This might be sweat-proof makeup because I did my makeup that day at around maybe 11 o'clock in the morning and it lasted me literally all day. I think it's the foundation because it's always been my favorite foundation, but sorry guys. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, the foundation. I'm sorry that like you guys can't really see me. I can't really see myself. I have my light. I know I should sit like behind this so you guys can see me better, but if I turn that way you're gonna see like everybody in the background and that's just gonna be weird. So anyways, so in the last video I used the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. That really helped, and I also used my Smashbox Photo Finish foundation primer. I think that combo is what like made my foundation last so long on Saturday. Also, I hope you guys boycotted, you know, the little, I didn't wash my beauty blender. I hope you guys boycotted July 4th. That's all I'm gonna say. But what? So yes guys, I just finished washing my beauty blender. I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox primer. Honestly, this has been like the best primer for years, like years. If you want your face to be matte but not like sucked in matte, not like you don't have any life to your face matte, I would definitely say go in with this one, especially for the summer days, especially if you live here in Florida, because boy, whew, this weather is hot with a capital hot. And if you remember, I said I was gonna wear this outside. No, I'm kidding. I'm not really wearing it outside. I'm just outside the house. But yeah, bring it down your neck. If you really want a good long wear foundation, I would definitely try this one or the e.l.f. one. I think it's called the e.l.f. Mineral Primer. I gave that one to my mom. That's her favorite one. She has like really oily skin. I have really dry skin thanks to my father. And if you're watching this, father, it's your fault. My face is dry like the Sahara Desert. I'm gonna go in with the NARS foundation. I have it in the shade Syracuse. This is my summer shade. It makes me look good during the summer. In my last video I didn't have a mirror, but now I do. And if you hear a little baby talking, that's baby Aiden and Will. I know you're probably thinking like, how am I doing my foundation right now in the heat? Like, why would I even do this? I just want to show you guys that it is possible to wear makeup in the summertime without it sliding off your face. I'll give you guys a wear test. I'll show you like later on today how my makeup looks. Hopefully they don't try to throw me inside the pool. But guys, it's still early in the morning. That's why I'm still drinking coffee, because I really want to get this video up for you guys. Today is Monday, so this is like real time. I love this foundation so much just because, one, it's like my perfect shade in the summer, two, because it lasts all day, and three, because it's not matte, so it doesn't make my skin look like, you know, dead. It still has like some shine to it in all the places that you would want it to be. I can't zoom you guys in, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I can come up closer. If you can't, I'm sorry, but I see it in real life. That's why I love this foundation so much. And the coverage is pretty good. I had like a rash the other day and it's like pretty gone with this foundation. I mean, I'm not looking for it to be like, you know, paint on my face, but yeah. I also feel like the faster I do my makeup in the summer, the faster, you know, I get over like things on my face. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I love this concealer. It's full coverage, but not like Tarte Shape Tape. I cannot wear Tarte Shape Tape. It's the worst it's the worst concealer for my skin, but it has a lot of, it's very full coverage. The moisture of the, wow, that breeze. I've been recording this entire time without my microphone. I feel like I can't see myself anymore. Sorry if you hear other people in the background. It's clearly not me only in this house, so enjoy my family and their nice conversation. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Cream Cheeks Out Bronzer in Honey Glaze. I'm just gonna use it on my beauty blender since I don't have any brushes because I left them all because I didn't care about wearing makeup today or ever on this long ass trip that I'm gonna be here for. Putting it here so I look like I'm more bronzed than what I actually already am. It gives you a realistic bronze. It doesn't look like, you know, a fake tan. It looks like you were in Miami for a good hot weekend type thing. In the last video that I recorded, I didn't blend this, and the entire time I was editing it, I was like, are you gonna fix it? Are you gonna fix it? Are you gonna fix it? So now I get to fix it here.
It just...
The bronzer is literally melting. Like, it's literally melting. It's crazy. I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder just to set under my eyes. I'm not trying to set everywhere because I like it to get a little oily throughout the day since I'm so dry.
You know, there's this new trend where
your siblings don't talk during your video. You see, it just mattifies wherever I want it, but not too much since I'm using the Real Technique sponge. It like adds a little bit of water with everything. And it just like snatches it. I have to actually do my smile lines because the bitch is getting old and she's not even realizing how old she's getting. Also, tip, if you have a mustache, just put concealer over it. It won't look green anymore. Oh, since I didn't have a blush brush in my last video, I had to use my finger, so I literally went like this. And I said that this is how my grandmother does it. My mom was like, how did you know? I'm like, because back then, did people even have brushes? No. They had that little powder thing. It looks crazy at first, like, for real. I'm packing on a lot because I like the blush look. If it was cream, it would have been easier, but I don't have cream blush right now, so probably end up buying some, but I'm not that crazy about it. So now I take the side with my foundation and then I just blend it. I took it a little bit up normally so that it looks like I'm actually sun-kissed, and now with the bronzer side I'm just gonna pat it around my nose so it looks like I also got bronze. Oh, I haven't done my eyebrows. I was like, what else is missing besides mascara and lip liner? Let's see, because last time it literally broke off as I was doing my makeup because it was melting of how hot it was. When I do my eyebrows in the summertime, I don't know why, but I don't like them to look so thick, so I just fill in the bottom parts and I truly call it a day. I'll fill out the end. Oh my god, driplets of sweat. So you see, my eyebrows don't look so like winter-y. Some brow gel so that the it could stay standing, but let's see if it actually works. This is the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. I love this one. I've had it for like 2 years already. Not the same one, but I've been using it for a long time. It's also like $3 or maybe $5. I'm gonna go in with the Continuous Setting Mist from Morphe. I also think this might have helped make my makeup stay longer that day, but we shall see. Wow. Wow. Whew. Just for shits and giggles, I am going to take this shade right there. It's literally a clear. It doesn't have anything. You'll see right now. Now that it's wet, so that it could stick more. Oh, and also with the blue that broke from the last video. A shame.
Mama, I ate the tree down here.
I got you.
I'm too scared.
I got you. I got you. Look, I got you.
Come here. I'm scared. Mama, help.
It's too much.
I like the pool there.
Mama, help! Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the Better Than Sex mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I have the Lancome Monsieur Big, but I'm trying to finish this one before I open that one. I also did the water trick to this one. I put it in hot water and it like scraped up all of like, you know, the old mascara that was in the tube, and it's like a brand new mascara. So if you haven't tried that, try it.
I'm sorry.
Why he's sorry? Because he called his mama? I'm not putting on too mascara because if I do end up getting in the water, it's just gonna smear everywhere, and I'm not trying to have that. Some Aquaphor because I didn't bring any gloss. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't tell you. I used the NYX lip liner in the shade, I don't know, brown, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's brown. But that's really it. This is what I did that same day. I literally didn't have a gloss either. I still used the Aquaphor. It lasted me a long time. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you're gonna try this out. You know, if you're going outside in the summertime. And I will see you and you and you and you soon.
Well, how's the water?
Huh?
How's the water?
Great.
Is it cold or is it hot?
My camera, Will. You want to say hi in my video?
Yes.
Come.
It's the last airbender.
You got the part he said.
Come here. Say bye. Subscribe to my video.
Bye.
What he said, y'all.
Channel.
Channel.
Go, go.
Wait.
Yo, I'm literally. Look, hold on. Let me show you. Can you see? Is it wet? Wet. Wet.
Good. Sit on the toes.
Oh my god.